In this video, we are going to look at what we mean by the term indirect object. What is indirect object? Indirect object is the recipient of direct object. Here is a simple example. Sumaya purchased a t-shirt for her brother. Find the direct object by finding the verb and asking what that gives you the t-shirt, and then you ask who was it, for to whom or for whom we have got. Sumaya purchased what? T-shirt. T-shirt is the direct object, and t-shirt to whom? Her brother. Her brother is the indirect object. Let's look at another example. Sarah gave her uncle a dirty look. You find the verb and you ask what? Zara gave what? A dirty look. A dirty look is the direct object. Now ask to whom? Her uncle. So her uncle is the indirect object. It's the recipient of direct object. In this video, all the verbs are going to be in green, all the direct objects are going to be in brown, and indirect objects are going to be in red. Let's look at some steps to find an indirect object. Start by finding the verbs and then ask what. That gives you the direct object, and then ask who. Who received it? That gives you the indirect object. For example, Shan passed the butter to Amir. Shan is the subject, so we will find the verb, and the verb is passed. Next ask what. Remember, that gives us the direct object. Pass the butter. Butter is the direct object, and then ask to who. Who gives us Amir. Amir is the indirect object. Laiba gave her pen to Amber. Laiba is the subject. Gave is the verb. Laiba gave what? Pen. That is the direct object. To whom? Her. Her is the indirect object. Take a look at some more examples of indirect object. Hamna sent me a CV in the mail. Find the verb. Send. Send is a verb. Now ask what. Hamna sent what? A CV. A CV is a direct object. Now ask to whom the CV was sent. To me. To me is the indirect object. Teacher gave Sabah an A grade on her exams. The teacher gave what? An A grade. An A grade is the direct object, and now ask to whom? A grade to whom? Sabah. Sabah is the indirect object. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out some of my other videos on grammar and literature.